What's up, guys? So I installed a light bar in this Infiniti. So a lot of people said you couldn't remove this, like it's almost like a grill for the bottom part of the bumper. I looked up online. A lot of people said it's like actually part of the bumper, but it's not. It kind of looks like it would be, but it just basically pops out. It's just you have to take a while to do it. It took me like 15 minutes just to get that popped out without breaking it. And anyways, I got it popped out, but then it has like the hose and a wiring harness running through it too. You got to clip off of it before you pull it out. You got to be careful for that. I don't know why it's down there, but anyways. So the light bar does stick out a little bit on each side because the airbag sensor is right there, and this won't let the light bar go back farther. But it doesn't look too bad at all. A lot of people online said that you can't even put them on these things other than like the roof and whatnot, but I figured out a way to do it, and I got it down here, and it looks really nice. I also did fog lights, put LEDs in it for him, and added mud flaps to it. He's got this vehicle as his Escalade, which is in my previous videos, got ran into by a transport truck that backed into it and wrote it off, so he ended up getting this with the claim money anyways. It's an Infiniti 2011. I forget the exact model, but it's a pretty nice SUV. And he just wanted to add a light bar to it for just driving on the highway at night so you can see way more, because you got to watch animals here in Alberta like crazy, especially bears. You don't want to hit one of those things. But yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. A lot of people said you can't do it, but you can take out that lower part of the bumper there and it fits perfectly in there. I forget what size this light bar is exactly. It's a curved one, so it worked. I don't think a flat one would work at all because of that sensor. It's right in the middle of the light bar right now, and then the mounts for the bumper or whatever, the steel part, is right behind each side of the light bar too, so it made it kind of difficult. It's really hard to get the bolts down through the bumper and whatnot as well. There's the light bar on and stuff. I just took some pictures. I was gonna video it, but it was cold and windy, and I was getting pretty pissed off doing it because I was freezing and my fingers were getting cold and I couldn't hold on to anything good. I kept dropping my wrenches and everything, so it was really driving me nuts. But the wiring's super easy. There's a spot you can put it right through the firewall. It's pretty easy, and the switch is right by his left leg, where a lot of switches are anyways. So it's a pretty good setup, and I just ran the wires as you normally would for a light bar. There's a lot of room to run the wires up to the battery from the light bar. So that part was easy. It's just getting the light bar actually bolted on, which is really difficult because, as I said, there's just no room to like get your wrench in there at all. And once you get your wrench on, you can't really turn much. And the light bar mounts, I had to use the square top bolts. I forget the proper name, but I had to use them because the problem with the other ones is you get it on there, but you can't tighten it at all. And yeah, just because there's no room. But that's what I did over the weekend. I installed a light bar on this, and hope you guys enjoy the videos. I'll be having some more content coming out soon. I have some big ideas for the Honda Civic before I destroy it. I'm also looking at a Jeep now because that BMW unfortunately sold. I was going to go get it this weekend, but someone came and picked it up, so those videos won't be coming, sadly. But I am looking at a couple Jeeps, so if those go through, that'd be friggin' amazing, because Jeeps are fun to build. I want to find a stock one and build it up myself, so I know it hasn't been like beat to hell, because I bought a couple lifted ones and they were wrote right off, transmission problems and everything. So I'm gonna find a nice stock one with decently low kilometers and build it up myself, so I know what I've been through. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you think of the SUV with the light bar on it, and yeah, give me some feedback. Have a great day and stay positive, guys.